Hi guys! Welcome to Nelvet's vlog. For this video, I will teach you on how to make chicken clear soup. Soup is something comforts me when I'm feeling sick. It is light, healthy, delicious, and soul-soothing. It's gluten-free and low carbs too. Here are some simple ingredients such as 1 cup of chicken breast, spring onions, 1/4 garlic, and 1/2 onion. Salt and pepper to taste, 1 carrot, and 4 cups of water. Wash the chicken well with water. Add the washed chicken to a pressure cooker. Along with the garlic and onion. Carrot, and a cup of water. Let the pressure release naturally and open the lid of the cooker. Put the spring onions. Strain the soup. Take out the chicken pieces and shred it into small pieces. This clear soup is comforting, protein-rich, and easy to make. Add few shredded pieces in each serving bowl and pour the clear soup on top.